Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a real little treat actually. I've been looking forward to doing this one with you. It's the Mystic Psyche Tarot by Emily Balivet. I don't know if that's how you say it, but that's how I would say it. It's a rock pool deck, and it says here, this beautiful 78 card deck merges timeless wisdom with contemporary insight for beginners and seasoned readers alike. It explores the depths of the human experience through vibrant, psychedelic and mythological images. It sounds garish, but it's not actually. The cards draw on Celtic, surreal and Art Nouveau artwork to offer intuitive guidance and spiritual self-discovery. Rooted in esoteric traditions, Mystic Psyche Tarot Psyche Tarot bridges tarot, alchemy and pagan lore, inviting you to navigate life cycles and unlock transformative truths. Let the magic of Emily's art guide you on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual insight. Those are the words. Let's have a look at the deck. Okay, it's a stock standard box. Not stock standard, but it's a box. A large box. Fairly big book. Sorry, pardon the lights. It is an introduction. So glossy. Oh, gosh, sorry. I'm trying and put it there. There you go. So it says exactly the same as it pretty much said on the back. Over the past 2 decades, I've woven my personal evolution into this tarot. Each card reflects both universal archetypes and a wide range of inspirations I've encountered through my own spiritual evolution. With intricate designs, the artwork captures the trials and triumphs of the human experience, encouraging readers to navigate illusions, discover truths, and harness the power of personal discernment. Rooted in esoteric traditions, the Mystic Psyche Tarot bridges mysticism, art, and self-awareness. Okay, well, it's pretty much the same as what it said on the back. So you prepare your deck. There's a lot of how-tos, which we like. Then you've got some spreads, and you go straight into the cards. And I love the fact that we've got keywords on here, because I teach the keywords when I teach tarot. So you go through there, you've got the majors and the minors. You've got the symbolism as well. It's really good that they've got the 2 of Wands symbolizes decision making, for example. The wands are elevated by golden wings, indicated that considerable achievement has already been reached, and a drive for expansion has now awakened. This desire, matched with the ability, increases the likelihood of greater success. So you get the description of the card, the meaning, a reversal. If you read reversals, we don't all have to read reversals. It's not the law. Keywords, divergent ideas, decision making, hesitation, lack of. So that's the plus and the minus. So you've got keywords as well for the reverses and the majors. And there we are. There's Emily. She's Vermont based, self-taught artist who's been, wow. When you see the cards, you'll see why I'm surprised at that. For over 30 years, born in Vermont and spending part of her childhood in Alaska, her ongoing connection to nature remains a constant source of inspiration. Wonderful. Did you hear the dog walking about? I'm so sorry, I can't do much about it. I'm going to try and... No, he stopped now. Okay, so we have a gilded edge. Not like a bright gold, like just an old gold, which feels in line with the deck, really. It's really relevant, very relevant. So I'm going to go through the cards, and if I'm going too quickly, you can slow me down. If I'm going too fast, you can... No, if I'm going too slowly, you can speed me up. Basically, you're in control of the speed in the settings on the video. I'm going to look at these with you. I really like them. Oh, look at the Emperor. Yeah, there's like a psychedelic colour, isn't there, in the background? A mandala. Oh, wow. That's a different death, isn't it? Which we know, death means rebirth. Endings and beginnings. I think we just got to, there we go. And then we have these gorgeous suits. So you've got the Ace, Cup set, the suit rather. We've got a mixture of the Rider-Waite based, haven't we? So you can see that she's walking away from her troubled past. He's pleased with himself, happy ever after. Look at these characters. And then we have Wands, the Fire suit. No characters in the Wands so far. Oops, sorry. There we go. And we have the Swords. And then we have the characters. So you've got a mixture, haven't you? I feel that if she feels the message is relevant to include her character, then she's done that. Oh gosh, yeah. All the thoughts, isn't it? And then we have the Pentacles, the Earth realm. When they first go through a new deck, they tend to stick together. Just that first couple of times, and then after a while, they separate beautifully. These are a really gorgeous deck, and they feel great. They shuffle beautifully. They've got that gorgeous shuff where you're able to move them very quickly through your hands. So that is the Mystic Psyche Tarot by Emily Balivet. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.